Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Ford F-150 regular cab 4x4. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, CD player, and cruise control.